Welcome to Kishore's NEET Pathshala. In this video lecture, we will see about rounding off the uncertain digit. Okay, there are three rules for rounding off. Let us see the first rule. Okay, if the insignificant digit to be dropped is more than 5, then the preceding digit should be raised by 1. Okay, suppose for example, you see here an example 3.78 is this digit we want to drop. Since 8 is greater than 5, we are increasing the preceding digit by one number, 3.8. okay, now let us see the second rule. Suppose if we have 3.74, 4 is less than 5. If the digit to be round off is less than 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. Okay, if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then the preceding digit should be unchanged. If the digit to be dropped is more than 5, then the preceding digit should be raised by 1. Okay, now there is third rule. If the digit to be dropped is 5, if we want to drop this digit, then the preceding digit should be raised by 1. Okay, if the preceding digit is odd, here 7 is odd, so we are making it as 3.8. if for example 3.85 is there, we want to drop 5. okay, then remember that if the digit to be dropped is 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged if it is even. So see here that since here 8 is even, we are writing as such. But if the preceding digit of is odd, then we are raising it by 1. okay, suppose if we are having 3.65, then it is round up. If the digit to be dropped is 5, it is just 3.6 because the preceding digit is even. If 3.75 is given, then it is nothing but 3.8 because 7 is odd, so we want to raise it by 1. This rule is only applicable if the digit to be dropped is 5. okay, now let us see the next example. Okay, see here there are certain examples. First, you want to read the question, round off the numbers up to 3 significant figures. First question, you see 2.520. Here 0 is not significant, so see here that 0 is significant, but 0 is less than 5, so we should not change the preceding digit, so it is just 2.52. see the second question, 4.645. see here we want to drop this 5. If so, answer is 4.64. why we are not changing 4? Since the preceding digit of the digit to be dropped is even, we are keeping it as such as 4. okay, now let us see the third question, 22.78. here this digit is to be dropped. Since the 8 is greater than 5, we want to raise the preceding digit by 1, so 22.8 is the answer. And let us see this question, 36.35. here the digit to be dropped is 5. Since the preceding digit is 3, which is an odd number, we are raising the 3 by 1, which is 36.4. why we are raising it by 1? Because 3 is an odd number. okay, now let us see the next rules. These rules are very important, and in NEET 2020 they ask the question based on this rule. okay, see here that during multiplication or division, what you want to do is said in this rule. okay, during multiplication of division, you want to reduce the final answer with least significant figures. okay, suppose if you see this question, an object covers a distance 4.11 meter in the duration 1.2 second, then the speed they are asking, so speed is nothing but distance by time, 4.11 by 1.2. the answer comes out to be 3.425. see here In the numerator it has 3 significant figures, in the denominator it has 2 significant figures. You want to reduce the answer to the least number of significant figures. Here 3 significant figure is there in numerator, here 2 significant figure is there in denominator, so least number of significant figure is there in denominator. So the final answer must have only 2 significant figures. Okay. During multiplication or division, the final answer must have least number of significant figures. Here there are numerator, there are 3 significant figures, denominator there are 2 significant figures, so the denominator is least with 2 significant figures, so the final answer must also have 2 significant figures, which is 3.4. First we are dropping 5. Since the preceding digit is even, we are keeping as such as 3.42. Then we are dropping 2. Since 2 is less than 5, the preceding digit should be less unchanged. So 3.4 ms power minus 1. This you want to follow in case of multiplication. Whereas in case of addition or subtraction, the rule is different. Okay. In addition or subtraction, the final answer must have least decimal place. For example, if you see this question, first mass is 0.307 gram, second mass is 0.52 gram, third mass is 0.4 gram. Here there are, in the first mass there are 3 decimal point, here there are 2 decimal point, here there are 1 decimal point. Since the final answer must have least decimal places, we are rounding off it to, we must have the final answer with only 1 decimal place. So let us see, 0.307 plus 0.52 plus 0.4, the addition comes out to be 1.227. Since the final answer must have only 1 decimal place, least number of decimal place must be there in case of addition or subtraction. So let us round off 1.227. First let us drop the digit 7. Since it is 7 is greater than 5, so the preceding digit is raised by 1. Next, since 3 is less than 5, here we should drop 3. Since 3 is less than 5, the preceding digit should be left unchanged, and this number has only 1 decimal place. In this way you want to do. Remember that in case of multiplication or division, the final answer must have least number of significant figures, whereas in case of addition or subtraction, the final answer must have least number of decimal point. Hope you like this lecture. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Kishore's NEET Pathshala. In the next video, we shall work out certain numericals based on the rounding off and significant figures concept. Thank you.